Hello students, today's our topic is DOE worksheet number 40. Now this is the problem is based to the height and distance. Now we have to start this. This is your worksheet. First of all, you write your name and your class teacher name. Now our question number 1 is in the previous we have to learn that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from a point on the ground is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is double, then the angle of elevation to its top will be. तो हमें दिया हुआ है कि एक हमारे पास टावर है जिसकी हाइट 30 जो टावर जो है उसका ग्राउंड से वो 30 डिग्री का एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन बना रहा है। तो अगर हम इसकी टावर की हाइट को डबल कर दें तो हमारे पास एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन क्या होगा। तो ये देखो ये हमारे पास ट्रायंगल एबीसी है, तो एबी यहाँ पर हाइट है टावर की, तो हमने यहाँ पर एबी को x मान दिया। ठीक है, लेट एबी इज इक्वल टू x और हमें यहाँ पर एंगल ए सी बी 30 डिग्री दिया हुआ है। तो इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल एबीसी, तो जो हमें दिया हुआ है वो एबी बटा बीसी, तो परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, तो ये एंगल बन गया टेंजेंट ऑफ 30 डिग्री। तो ए बी यहाँ पर x है बटा बी सी ओवर बी सी इज इक्वल टू टेंजेंट 30 इट्स वैल्यू इज under root 3. So we have to cross multiply. So we get x under root 3 is equal to bc. So that is the bc, its value is x under root 3. Now when the height of the tower is double, now here EA we increase its height as 2x, then EB becomes x plus 2x, that is equal to 3x. When we double the height, then the EB becomes 3x. Now we have to take the triangle EBC in this right angle triangle. Now EB upon BC perpendicular over base, that is equal to, it makes an angle of tangent of theta. So this is a perpendicular and this is base and this angle theta angle. So it is equal to tangent of theta, and EB that is equal to 3x and BC is equal to x under root 3. We substitute in this. So we get x is cut by x and under root 3 cut under root 3. So we get this is under root 3 is equal to tangent of x. So you get tangent of x is equal to under root 3. And you know that under root 3 that is equal to tangent of 60 degree. So you get theta is equal to 60 degree. So what we get when the height is double, then angle is double. So your option is A. The angle of elevation of the sun when the angle of shadow of the tree is under root 3 times the height of the tree is. Now you have to given, this is the right angle triangle that is given to you. This is the right angle triangle. Now you have to suppose that AB is equal to x, then BC is equal to under root 3x. Height, the base becomes a under root 3 times the height. So it's become the under root 3x. So in right angle triangle ABC, then AB over BC perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of theta. Here angle is theta. So that is equal to tangent of theta. So we have to substitute it value. Then AB is equal to x over under root 3x is equal to tangent of theta. X is cut by x, 1 over under root 3 is equal to tangent theta. And you know that 1 by under root 3 that is equal to tangent of 30 degree. So theta you get the 30 degree. So your option is A, 30 degree. Relation of hypotenuse, perpendicular and base at 45 degree is h is equal to under root 2b. Now you have to you know that in a right angle triangle when one angle is 45 degree, 90 degrees is the fixed angle, then other angle is also 45 degrees, and this triangle becomes a isosceles triangle. So AB is equal to BE. So your perpendicular is equal to base. So that is also under root 2 times height. So sorry. So then h is perpendicular is equal to base. So h is equal to, if h is equal to under root 2 times b, then p is also under root 2 times p. Now the next question is the question number 1. From the top of the 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of the cable tower is 60 degree and the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Now you have to given this is the height of the tower and this is the AB that is equal to the building. And building of the height you have to given 7 meter and you have to find the height of the tower in this question. Now you have to given that angle of elevation from the point A is 60 degree and the angle of elevation from and the angle of depression is 45 degree and this angle is 45 degree, then this angle is also 45 degree, that is equal to the alternate interior angles. So now you have to take in right angle triangle ABC. Now in this right angle triangle ABC, so you get AB upon BC. This is perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 45 degree. Here theta angle is equal to 45 degree. So tangent of 45, its value is 1, that is AB, that is given to you 7 centimeter over BC. So you get BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Now you know that ABCD, that is the rectangle. Opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So BC is equal to AD, that is equal to 7 centimeter, and AB is equal to DC, that is also 7 centimeter. So now in right angle triangle ADE, now in this right angle triangle ADE, here you have to find the value of ED and AD, that is equal to 7 centimeter and angle is equal to 60 degree. Theta angle is equal to 60 degree. Now ED upon AD, perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 60 degree. So tangent of 60, its value is under root 3. DE, that is you want to find this DE over AD, that is equal to 7. You substitute this value, so you get DE is equal to 7 under root 3 meter. So this distance, that is 7 under root 3 meter. Now you want to find the height of the tower, then EC, that is equal to ED plus DC. So you have to substitute this value. DE, that is 7 under root 3 plus 7. You're taking 7 outside, that is under root 3 plus 1, that is the height of the tower. Now the question number 2 is, the tree is broken due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground and makes an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Find the height of the tree. तो आपको दिया हुआ है कि हमारे पास एक ट्री दिया हुआ है जो ऊपर से टूट गया, स्टॉर्म के कारण टूट गया और इसका ऊपर वाला पार्ट जो है वो नीचे जमीन पे टच करने लगा और ये 30 डिग्री का 30 डिग्री का एंगल बना रहा है. तो फुट ऑफ द ट्री और एट टॉप, ये जो है इनके बीच का जो डिस्टेंस है वो हमें 1 मीटर दिया हुआ है. आपने हाइट ऑफ द ट्री पता करनी है. हाइट ऑफ द ट्री यानी कि आपने AB प्लस BC ये आपने फाइंड करना है. तो यानी कि हमें एक AB निकालना है और दूसरा हमें BC निकालना है. तो अब हम इस ट्रायंगल ABC में लेते हैं. तो हमारे पास है AB ओवर BC परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, क्योंकि हमने AB फाइंड करना है तो इसको हमने ऊपर रख दिया over BC. ये आपके पास गिवन है tangent of 30 degree. Tangent 30, its value is 1 by under root 3. So you get AB is equal to 8 over under root 3 meter जो है वो हमारे पास AB आ गया. Next you have to want to find AC. Now you know that AC over BC, that is hypotenuse upon base, that is equal to secant of 30. And you know that cos of 30, its value is under root 3 by 2 and secant of 30, its value is 2 by under root 3. So you have substitute this value. So you get AC is equal to 30 into BC. BC, that is equal to this is 8 secant of 30, its value is 2 by under root 3. So you get this result 16 by under root 3 meter. So you have to find height of the tree. Then height of the tree is that is equal to 8 over under root 3 plus 16 over under root 3, that is equal to 24 by under root 3. Denominator is under root 3, so you rationalize. So you get this result is 24 under root 3 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 8 are 24. So you get 8 under root 3 meter. That is the height of the tree. Now the next question is the angle of elevation of the top of the building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. If the tower is 50 meter high, then find the height of the building. Now you have to given this is DC, that is equal to tower, and AB, this is the building. Now you have to given that angle ACB, that is 30 degree, and angle BBC, that is equal to 60 degree. Now you have to find the height of the building AB. Now you have to take in right angle triangle BCD. Now this is the right angle triangle BCD. Now BD CD over BC. Perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 60 degree, and tangent of 60 is equal to under root 3, and CD, that is equal to 50 over BC. So you get the value of BC, that is equal to 50 under root 3 meter. Now again you have to use the triangle ABC. Now in this triangle mein AB over BC, perpendicular over base, that is equal to tangent of 30 degree, that is given to you, and you know that tangent 30 1 by under root 3, that is equal to AB over BC. Now value of BC, that is equal to 50 under root 3, we substitute it, then AB is equal to 50 under root 3 multiplying by 1 by root 3, that is equal to 50 by 3 meter, that is the height of the building. Now our question number 4 is the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the 2 points, the distance S and T from it foot are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is under root of ST. Now you have to given that angles are complementary. Now what is a complementary angle? The sum of the two angles, that is 90 degree, is called complementary angle. So you have to suppose that angle ABC, that is equal to theta angle, then angle APC, that is equal to 90 minus theta. So this is the complementary angle. Now in right angle triangle, you have to given that AC, that is the height of the tower, that is equal to H meter, and BC distance, that is S meter, and PC distance, that is T meter, that is given to you. And now you have to take in right angle triangle ABC. Now this is AC over BC, perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent theta. Now AC, that is equal to H, and BC, that is equal to S. H over S, that is equal to tangent theta. Now you take the next right angle triangle. In right angle triangle APC. Now in this right angle triangle, that is perpendicular AC over PC, perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent 90 minus theta. Now AC, that is given to you H, and PC, now this PC is equal to T, tangent 90 minus theta, that is equal to cot of theta. You can write here tangent of 90 minus theta. So you get this is H over T is equal to cot theta, name it 2. Now by 1 multiplying by 2, now here H over S multiplying by H over T is equal to tangent theta multiplying by cot theta. Now cot theta, you can write this as 1 over tangent theta, tangent is cut by this tangent theta, H multiplying by H, it becomes H square, and S multiplying by T, ST. So you get H square is equal to ST, then value of H is equal to under root of ST. So you want to prove this. Now our some question you have given to solve yourself. There is a small island in a middle of the 100-meter wide river, and a tall tree stands on the island. P and Q are the point directly opposite to each other on the two banks and in a line with the tree. If the angle of elevation of the top of the tree is P and Q are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively, find the height of the tree. Now you have to given, now this is a river and B is the point where is the island and the point, and here this is the tree. Now you have to find this height of the tree, and P and Q, any 2 points are the other directly opposite to the this tree AB. So angle APB 30 degree and angle AQB, that is equal to 45 degree, that is given to you, and the total width of the river is 100 meter. Now you have to suppose that BQ is equal to x meter, then PB, that is equal to 100 minus x, so that is the distance PB. Now in right angle triangle ABQ, perpendicular upon base AB, that is perpendicular, BQ base, that is equal to tangent of 45 degree. So you get AB is equal to PQ, PQ is x, tangent 45, its value is 1. So you get AB is equal to x. Now in right angle triangle ABQ, in this right angle triangle ABQ, here AB is ABQ, in right angle triangle ABP, sorry, we have to take this right angle triangle. So AB upon BP, perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 30 degree. So AB is equal to PB, that is equal to 100 minus x, tangent 30, its value is 1 by under root 3. Now this is AB x, here AB is equal to 100 minus x over under root 3. So ये these two values are equal, क्योंकि ये दोनों x में है, AB में है, तो इनकी values आपस में बराबर हो गई. तो from first and second, AB, that is x, that is 100 minus x over under root 3. So taking under root 3 to the left hand side, so under root 3x is equal to 100 minus x. Taking x and minus x to the right hand side, it becomes plus x. So under root 3 x plus x is equal to 100. So x is equal to under root 3 plus 1 is equal to 100. So value of x is 100 over under root 3 plus 1. Here denominator are irrational number. So you multiplying numerator and denominator by under root 3 minus 1 and under root 3 plus 1, we rationalize the denominator. So x is equal to 100 under root 3 minus 1. Now here denominator a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square under root 3 square, that is 3 minus 1 square 1. So 3 minus 1, that is equal to 2. So you get x is equal to 100 over under root 3, its value is 1.73 minus 1, 3 minus 1, 2. 2 1 the 2, 250 the. Now 50 multiplying by 0.73. So you get this result 36.50 meter. Now this x, that is equal to AB. So you get AB is equal to 36.50 meter. So that is the height of the tree. Now the next question is, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and it is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of the height 5 meter. At the point on the plane, angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the flagstaff are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the flagstaff. Now you have to given एक vertical tower है जो horizontally खड़ा हुआ है, उसके ऊपर एक फ्लैग स्टैफ लगा हुआ है, झंडा लगा हुआ है, जिसकी हाइट जो है वो हमें 5 मीटर दी हुई है. तो आपको एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन वो यहाँ से नीचे से इसके बॉटम में, फ्लैग के बॉटम में और टॉप में वो देख रहा है, तो उसका एंगल जो है वो 45 डिग्री और 60 डिग्री बन रहा है. तो आपने इस AB, दैट इज द हाइट ऑफ द फ्लैग, पता करनी है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर हमारे पास ये फिगर दी हुई है, तो इसमें AB जो है वो आपने फ्लैग स्टेप ले लिया और BC जो है वो टावर ले लिया. तो अब हमारे पास राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल BDC में, इस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में हमारे पास क्या दिया हुआ है, तो हमें BC दिया हुआ है और हमें CD पता करना है. तो BC over CD perpendicular upon base, that is tangent of 45 degree. BC is equal to 5 CD tangent of 45, its value is 1, taking CD to here. So 5 is equal to CD. So value of CD is also 5. Now next we have to take a right angle triangle ACD. Now this is the ACD right angle triangle. So AC upon CD, perpendicular upon base, that is equal to tangent of 60 degree. So AC is equal to CD and value of CD is 5 and tangent of 60, that is under root 3. So 5 under root 3. So you have to find the AB. Now this AB, how can you find? AC minus BC. Now here this is AC. You have already find, that is equal to 5 under root 3 and BC is 5. Taking 5 outside, now you get result under root 3 minus 1. So that is the height of the flag staff. I think so you must understand this. Thank you.